Most people get a wolf tattoo without knowing this. A wolf tattoo represents strength, freedom, and loyalty. It symbolizes inner power, independence, and survival. The wolf is not just wild, it is disciplined and loyal to its pack. The wolf represents knowing who you are. It stands for walking your own path, with or without others. Strength does not always need to be loud. A howling wolf tattoo represents connection to the inner self. It symbolizes freedom and calling out your true identity. An aggressive wolf tattoo represents controlled anger and protection. It shows power, dominance, and the instinct to defend. A calm wolf tattoo represents self-control and quiet confidence. Not everyone understands the wolf. If you do, hit like and join the pack by subscribing.